Hey guys, Aries here, and today we're inside Xplane's F-14 Tomcat. Let's check her out. Look at that, it's a good looking jet. It's got the timeless look too, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, let's get inside. So today we're actually going to be doing a cold and dark start. It's going to be the first time I'm doing this, so we're all going to be doing this together, so it's kind of cool. So I'm going to be following through using the Xplane's documentation, like this aircraft's manual. If you guys are not familiar, the default aircraft in Xplane actually comes with a manual. You just gotta go to the directory and then find them. So based on the documentation, they suggest that we toggle some keybinds here. So toggle the GPU, bleed air, and fuel pumps on. So you could find them here. You could go to your settings and then just search, let's say like GPU. So I binded them. And then after that, the first step is call our ground service, which I already did. He's chilling right there. What's up, dude? So I can turn on our GPU. Alright, GPU is on. Turn on bleed air. That's also on. MPs. So guys, have you guys tried this? Because I was looking online and I've never seen much review or guide about this plane, so I decided to look around and I'm like, you know what, let me just make one. Just for fun, right? So I'm also actually learning here. And I do apologize if I keep zooming in out like that. I have the checklist on my other monitor, which is like on top of my main monitor. And I have to scroll down as we go along here. So where were we? So fuel pumps is on. Alright, now it's on. After that we have to toggle our generators, left and right. And external lights, off for now. That's good. So we're good for the lights, and then the next step is throttle. So throttle to idle. And then crank the engine. And then we had to watch for this, make sure the engine stabilizes. See it? It's powering. There you go. Alright, we're getting power on the left engine. And then, alright, so you guys saw that. It went back to neutral. Now we can turn on our right engine. Alright, the right engine is turning on. And now watch. So we're gonna make sure everything is properly flowing here. And then, so I've never actually flown the F-14 on other sims, so this is the only F-14 I've flown. Apparently the flight model for this one is not too bad. Again, for like anybody that actually flown the F-14 out there for like DCS or other sims, like if you guys have flown the Xplane one, what do you guys think about the flight model? Alright, I think that's it. Okay, so that's neutral. Both left and right are stable, as you can see right here. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so what do you guys think about the actual like aircraft itself? I don't mind it. It looks great. I mean, it's gorgeous. Like F-14 is just such a good machine. Let's get back in. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down below. Uh, like, what do you guys think? How it flies? Is it like accurate, or is it like, you know? Because I'm not familiar how like the F-14 flies. Like personally, like I usually fly like the F-16, F-18, right? And then I wanted to try this one out. I was like, let me try it. Apparently, the flight model is pretty good. So you guys let me know. Alright. Before taxi checklist, wing sweep up. Wing sweep is up. Anti-skid is off. Alright, we got our anti-skid. Those are off. Yep. Flaps 50%. Alright, flaps 50%. Parking brake off. Wing sweep forward. So this is before takeoff checklist. Let's make sure our systems are good here. We can turn on the anti-collision. We'll keep this on steady. Bars. My oxygen. Oxygen monitor. Like this. It's on. Alright, let's check this out. Where are we? Yeah, flaps 50%, parking brake off. Alright, let's check the head tracking, make sure it's working. Alright, head tracking is working. We can like dismiss this dude. Alright, later, man. What is that? Oh, it's this one. No. I'm getting an O-box warning. I'm gonna assume this is the oxygen. Yeah, I'm not familiar with that, so if you guys know, let me know down in the comment. I'm trying to test it. I guess some of the buttons are now modeled. Yeah. I mean, we got it started, so it's not bad. This says at 20%. Where are we? Okay, we're already at 20%, so we're actually already on our taxi configuration. Our head tracking is working, so that's cool. Our parking brake is off. Let's taxi her out. Alright. Oh, she's fast. Alright, where's the runway here? Is that the runway? Oh, what am I talking about? I got this plugin right here. Ooh. Oh, it's right here, it's right here. We're good, we're good, we're good. Alright. Alright. We'll hold here. We'll turn on our parking brake and then we turn on the head tracking. And then before takeoff, check. Oh, what the hell? Thought I had that on. Alright. Before takeoff, checklist. Wing sweep guard up, wing sweep at 20. Wing sweep guard down. Anti-skid bolt up, pitch trim positive at 30. What is that noise? Oh, that's the brake noise, right? Alright, what is the pitch trim? Spoilers? What is it? Oh, pitch. Oh, we're good. Yeah. Alright, I guess we're good. We can take off. Let's take off. Yes, sir. We already dismissed the ground surface. I don't know why I keep showing. Alright. Get out. Alright. Left, right. Runway clear. Oh man, why is it so fast? Feels like I'm on burners already. Alright. Let's turn off our nose wheel steering. Nose wheels off. Good. Take off at 130. Easy there. 130. Take off. Gears coming up. I keep forgetting that like this doesn't have a fly-by-wire. Like when you're so used to flying jets that's like so automated and then you fly this, it's like, oh, look at that. I always gotta trim. Alright, our gears up. Change our flaps configuration. We change our wings. Alright, let's go full afterburner wing sweep. Let's try that out. It's working. Nice. Oh, you know why? 'Cause oh.
Northrop Field Hawthorne visible information November 1540 Zulu. Arrive runway 25 toward runway 25 and com. Visibility more than 10 miles. Sky clear. Temperature 27. Dew point 20. Altimeter 298. Advise on initial contact. You have information November.
Oh, there you go.
Northrop Field Hawthorne visible information November 1540 Zulu. Arrive runway 25
Got our wing sweep. Alright, it's pretty cool. I gotta practice to fly this aircraft more, but what do you guys think about the aircraft? I think it's fun. And if you guys like the video, please leave that like and sub button right there. Or hit the like and sub button, I should say, and leave a comment. And thank you for watching, guys.